Here's what you need to know before you dive into B3. Just like we covered in B2, we'll be substituting specific numbers for variables, except this time with decimals. Let's take a look at some examples. Evaluate the expression for w equals 7.1. So if we plug 7.1 in for w, that leaves us with 12 plus 7.1 to get 19.1. Next, we need to substitute 4 for s. So if I plug that in, I get 0.9 times 4. Well, I know 9 times 4 is 36, so 0.9 times 4 is 3.6. Next, we're substituting negative 7 for t. When we plug that in, we get 7 over negative 7. And 7 divided by negative 7 is negative 1. Next, how can you support this channel to continue making videos? Well, it's pretty easy. You just need to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Next, we need to substitute negative 18.6 for c. When we do that, we end up with negative 18.6. The two negatives just cancel out, so we're left with positive 18.6. Next, we have to substitute 2.8 for q and negative 3 for r. And when we plug both of those in, it looks like we're going to have to multiply first, then subtract. So 2.8 times negative 3 is negative 8.4. And since that negative 8.4 is minus a negative 3, we can turn that into plus 3. So negative 8.4 plus 3 is negative 5.4. Next, we have to substitute negative 19 for v. And once we plug that in, we have to focus on the numerator first. So we have negative 19 plus 9 is negative 10. And negative 10 over 2 is the same as negative 10 divided by 2, which gives us negative 5. Well, that's all I've got for this lesson. If you want to see more content just like this, check out the Algebra 1 IXL playlist right here. This is Mr. Leo with Epic Math. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.